What is Pilates? Pilates is a physical fitness system developed in the early 20th century by Joseph Pilates. It is a low-impact form of exercise that emphasizes the development of core strength, flexibility, and balance. Pilates exercises are typically performed on a mat or using specialized equipment, such as the reformer, Cadillac, or Wunda-chair. The exercises involve a series of controlled movements that engage the muscles of the abdomen, back, hips, and glutes, as well as the arms and legs. Pilates is designed to improve posture, balance, and body awareness, and to promote a strong, stable core. The system emphasizes proper alignment and breathing techniques, and the exercises are designed to be adaptable for people of all fitness levels and abilities. Pilates is often used as a form of rehabilitation or injury prevention, and it is also popular among athletes and dancers for its ability to improve flexibility, strength, and coordination. It is a low-impact form of exercise, making it a good choice for people with joint pain or other physical limitations. There are several types of Pilates, each with its own unique approach to the practice. Here are some of the most common types of Pilates. 1. Classical Pilates. This is the original system developed by Joseph Pilates, which consists of a series of over 500 exercises performed on specialized equipment. 2. Contemporary Pilates. This approach to Pilates incorporates newer exercise techniques and equipment, while still maintaining the focus on core strength, flexibility, and balance. 3. Mat Pilates. This is a form of Pilates that is performed on a mat, without the use of equipment. Mat Pilates exercises typically focus on core strength, flexibility, and posture. 4. Reformer Pilates. This is a type of Pilates that uses a machine called a reformer, which consists of a sliding carriage, springs, and pulleys. Reformer Pilates exercises are designed to increase strength, flexibility, and balance. 5. Clinical Pilates. This is a form of Pilates that is used for rehabilitation purposes, often in conjunction with physical therapy. It focuses on specific movements and exercises to address specific injuries or conditions. 6. Pilates for specific populations. There are various adaptations of Pilates that cater to specific populations, such as prenatal Pilates, Pilates for seniors, or Pilates for athletes. 7. Wall Pilates. Wall Pilates is a variation of Pilates that involves using a wall for support during exercises. In wall Pilates, the wall serves as a stabilizing force, helping to align the body and engage the core muscles. Wall Pilates exercises can be done standing, sitting, or lying down, and can target various muscle groups, such as the legs, glutes, abs, and back. Some examples of wall Pilates exercises include wall squats. Stand with your back against the wall and slide down into a squat position, with your thighs parallel to the floor. Hold for several seconds before sliding back up. Wall push-ups. Stand facing the wall with your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Bend your elbows to lower your chest toward the wall, then push back up to the starting position. Wall sits. Stand with your back against the wall and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold this position for several seconds before sliding back up. Wall angels. Stand with your back against the wall and your arms at your sides. Slowly raise your arms overhead, keeping your back against the wall, then lower them back down. Wall Pilates can be a great option for people who need extra support or assistance during exercises, such as those recovering from an injury or with limited mobility. It can also be a challenging workout that targets multiple muscle groups and helps to improve posture and balance.